Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this Mercedes Benz Vito 116 Sport. This is the long wheelbase crew van, so we've got 5 seats in there. It's automatic transmission and it's a one owner vehicle from new with full Mercedes Benz service history. Now, we supplied this vehicle brand new through our leasing department, and the gentleman has just took another brand new vehicle exactly the same as this, same colour, but on the brand new registration. So let's take a look around it, because you'll be very impressed with the specification and the overall condition. So this vehicle is finished in the mountain grey metallic paintwork, which is in superb condition. You'll be very, very impressed by it. You've got the balance of the manufacturer's warranties still on this vehicle as well, and you'll be pleased to know that it's had a service less than 300 miles ago at the Mercedes Benz dealership. I've listed that in the advert, so yeah, the mileage on this is just over 33,000. It rides on the 17-inch 5-spoke propeller alloy wheels. They're all in great condition. There's a couple of little wheel refurbs that will be done before the car or before the van's sold, but the wheels will be removed. We wash them inside and out when it goes into pre-delivery inspection, and we make it as good as we possibly can for you to come. Now, it's got 2 keys with it. It's got everything that was given when it was brand new. Obviously, it's not that old. It's still under manufacturer's guarantee. The wheels are superb. The van's sides are in excellent condition. No trolley dents or anything. Now, the Sport comes very well specified on the outside. So we've got full colour-coded bumpers. We've got front fog lamps. We've got the 3 chrome grille on the later facelift vans. We've got the roof bars, chrome side tubes, privacy glass in there also. But as we look round the car and the van, it's actually, the paintwork is in exceptional order. The full colour coding is superb. This one has the tailgate as well, so 116i Sport on there. We get the chrome badge, then we get the satin silver bumper protector. Opening the tailgate reveals a massive load space. Again, this was a privately used vehicle. Gentleman was in the second-hand watch business, and so he used the vehicle to go to fairs and antiques road shows, etc. with his business, and then at the weekend it was used for family business. But all the brackets for the lockdown floor is in the glove box, but the van itself is in excellent order. I've drove it. It drives as new as it did do when I drove it when it was brand new. But again, the driver's side mirrors that of the passenger, and that's free from trolley dent. The tyres are all in very, very good order, and as I say, all the wheels are in exceptional condition as well. But looking round it, those roof bars, everything about it is in super condition with the balance of manufacturer's warranty is always worth noting. Having a look inside the van, we've got the standard black cloth Mercedes Benz interior, very versatile, very hard wearing, but the tech on them's great. So we get electric windows, remote central locking, power folding mirrors. The front seats have got the captain's chairs and armrests in. We've got cruise control, automatic headlamps. Jumping in, we've got, I can see the tailored carpet floor mats as well. Having a look on the dashboard, it does need a quick bit of AdBlue in it. We'll put that in, that's no issue at all. Shut the door, we've got the onboard computer telling you the functions of it. We've got 33,758 miles. Automatic transmission, multifunction steering wheel with Bluetooth capabilities, and then we've got cruise control and speed limiter. Air conditioning's ice cold. Then we've got the changer on the auto box, so economy, manual and comfort, stop start. But once I select reverse gear, we've got the reverse camera as well, put it back in park. And then we've got radio, navigation. You'll need the SD card to get the navigation to work. We've got the media player, so that's auxiliary, Bluetooth streaming, Bluetooth telephone. As I say, all the books and the gear for holding down the rear load area is in the glove box. We've got a 12-volt charging point as well in there. Never been used again. Oh, that's a cigarette lighter. Thought it was 12 volt, never used. I can tell the van's not been smoked, and I do know the last owner, he was not a smoker either. But the seats are all in as new condition. But yeah, just take a look at the Mercedes Benz warranty on a vehicle that's maintained at Mercedes. It's fantastic, but a lovely, lovely piece of kit. Now I know the waiting list on one of these now is quite extended, so this is available to drive away at Alpha today. Again, privacy glass in that back door. As we open up, we've got the slider, and then that reveals 3 full seats. So you got there, if you've got Isofix base on these 2 on the passenger side, on the driver's side rather, the armrests fold away out of the way. Now those seats can be removed. If you wanted the full van and you needed the full van, you can just unclip those seats and they will all be taken out of that vehicle without any problem whatsoever, and then you've got a long wheelbase van. Put them back in and you've got a versatile vehicle that you can do whatever you want to do. Put your bikes in, put your caravan on the back if you have a tow bar. But all in all, an absolute exceptional vehicle. 69 registration, balance and manufacturer's warranty, metallic paint finish, very, very nicely specified vehicle, complemented with full Mercedes Benz service history and 2 keys. What more can you say? So if this is of interest to you, give us a call here in Wigan. I'm Graham, there's Dominic and Lee on sales. We can take a £250 reservation deposit. That is fully refundable once you arrive in Wigan. If the van's not for you or it's misdescribed, we'll prepare it so that you only have to visit once to Wigan. At which point then we just do a banking transfer from your bank to ours. We do the DVLA paperwork and you drive home in your new van. If you need finance, we can finance the VAT if you're not VAT registered within the finance. If you are VAT registered, you just use the VAT as deposit and finance the balance. If you're coming from afar, not a problem. As I say, we do the click and collect method. Have a look on our Facebook page, you'll see customers from all over the UK collecting vehicles from us. We're experts in this, so please do not worry, buy in full confidence. Have a look on our reviews, you'll see verified customers from all over the land who've been once to Wigan to pick up their new car. How many other dealers use videos like this so that you can see every single part of the vehicle? Have a look at the images. I've pictured the service history as well. It's all Mercedes Benz and it was done less than 300 miles ago, as it says on the service counter. Okay, well thanks for watching the video and I look forward to your inquiry.